Here's Veebs app. It's very fast, goes to the top charts in the shopping categories. So the idea of this app is in the first site is just like a grocery shopping app, but actually it's much deeper than that. It's an everyday grocery shopping productivity app designed for mobile. You can just scan barcodes or search in the Veebs database. So premium app users can customize brand preferences and favorite stores to help the Veebs scoring algorithm show them the brands with the best values alignment. So in the short, basically when you create an account in this app, it's actually super easy. You just enter your phone number, enter your email, and then when you do that, you just set up values you like. There aren't that much, but like you can set up, are you conservative? Are you liberal? Is it like important for you, like social justice, LGBTQ plus rights, and some other like values? There aren't that much. And then you just select what is the top priority for you. And then, yeah, based on that, basically this app will add a rating to specific products and specific brands yes, that's basically the idea, that you just only want to shop brands which have values aligned with you, and this app is just has some kind of scoring system. Are these products from conservative brands, or are these products from a liberal brand? And yeah, and then you can also create preferred companies list and get alerts whenever you scan their brands and products. Set your favorite stores to only show brands and products sold in these stores. Seamlessly add, scan, or search products to your saved shopping lists. And yeah, so that's the idea. So here, how the app looks like. It's very minimalistic, but it just does the job. So for example, I just want to search something. I can search by the company, or I can search by keyword. So for example, I just want to buy milk. Which kind of milk I want to buy? There are all kind of milk, just like normal, 2% milk. And then you can see like some search results. Some, yeah, like for example, if I want to buy like milk from Walmart, I can just see that so if I set up my values to be more like on liberal side, then I see that like the V score is actually good. So from here you can search company. Okay, Target. So do you want to buy it or not? So rating is fair. So and then you can also scan the barcode, and then you can also tap to add it to preferred companies. Okay, so now you added to preferred companies. If you, okay, I just want to buy from Target. And then you can also see a history list. You can see saved list, create a new list and save your products or all of that to that. So for example, I just want to see or any products you just want to buy, and then see here. So some search results, you can see some different types of brands. So different, like there are all the kind of brands you have here, like Good and Gather, good V score, Harris Teeter, good, but for example Hugh V, it's bad, or Mayer, bad. So it means if you're on the liberal side and you want to buy peanuts, that's not a good brand to buy from. So that's basically what it is. And then you can just search for some companies. So Pepsi, as you can see, is quite liberal, obviously, and then you can see all the different V score. You can sort by them, and that's basically the idea. Also, you can just scan the item by barcode, which is quite convenient as well. So you can just go in the shop and scan. The thing is, I think that it's only works in US, I guess, so it's not gonna work in Europe. Then there is like a helpful yeah, their FAQ center. So you can just tap on logo to go to a screen. Um, Shopping cart icon on any screen will take you right back to the most recent list you viewed. The person icon means you're going straight to account screen. Then preferred history, list, search, scan, and that's basically the idea. So that's what you can discover here, and then you can also search again and uh, yeah, so it's actually quite basic, as you see, but it works and it just does the job. You can also get the app on Android, so it's available in Google Play Store. Um, uh, yeah, the thing is, it just only works in America, I guess. But that's the idea. There are a lot of apps in this category right now. You know, like the society in US is quite polarized right now. There are apps only on the right side and there are apps only on the left side of political spectrum, like starting from social media, shopping, and everything else. So especially, I don't know, either is it due to elections or just some period in history, people are like super polarized, and this trend is becoming stronger and stronger. There is another app called Public Square, where you only can buy like products from more conservative businesses, and it's not possible to set up values to different. And this app is just cool. You just select which values you want to align with, and then this app is just automatically sorts it for you. So that's what it is. Interesting app. Give it a try.